Hey guys, it's Remedy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do like 2 space buns with curls, or like at least leave the rest of your hair down. You don't have to curl it. So what you're gonna need today are some bobby pins, little elastic hair bands, or you can use regular hair bands, especially if your hair is pretty thick. And if you wanted to curl your hair, get a heat protectant spray and a curler. I'm just using a tapered like wand. Okay, so I've already gotten most of like the knots out of my hair, so the next step will be to separate the hair you're going to want to use for the buns. So kind of make like a middle part. My hair does not really part in the middle, so this is going to be interesting. Kind of like that. And we're going to want to leave some of these front sections. So kind of go maybe about, I don't know, how much is that, like 2 inches back. And kind of take like almost the square of that hair up top, I guess. So kind of like from here along the side and to the back. And take your mini elastic and secure it. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Kind of like there, square, and secure it. Okay, now if you've got in your hair where you like it, it looks like this right about now. Take these sections, and you don't really have to do this if you have thick hair, but my hair is super thin, so I kind of need to, and go like this. Just kind of like run your hand up along it. Don't do it too much because you don't really want to knot your hair. You just want to give it like some texture and volume. And now take this and loosely wrap it around and around. And then secure with bobby pins. And then I kind of like to like pull it a little bit to give it a little bigger, a little more volume. Okay, now you do the same thing with this side. Loosely wrap and twist. Okay, so that part is always the hardest for me. It's super hard to get like 2 buns that I actually like. So here they are. It's about as good as I can do. Okay, so now take your heat protectant spray and just like spritz it through your hair. And I kind of just do this. I have no idea if it's something you're supposed to do, but I think it gives me a little more volume. Then start at the front, take like a medium section of hair, wrap it around. And now I like to take the second strand and wrap it around the opposite way. That just makes your hair a little bit, have a little more volume, I think, when it's curled. And honestly, I'm going more for waves, not curls, so you can curl your hair however your personal preference is, obviously. So now you can just leave it as is, but what I like to do is once the curls have set, typically you can spray with hairspray right now, but I'm not really a big fan of hairspray. Even though it makes my curls stay in a lot longer and they don't really stay in without it, I just don't really like hairspray. So now what I like to do is I like to kind of run my fingers through the curls to break them up a little bit and to separate them and kind of like give my hair a wavier look. Okay, so there's the finished product. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and yeah. Thanks for watching, bye!